let me break this down for you. When you look at investing, let's say you have $100,000 invested and the market takes a dive. And then now you're down, let's say 20%. This could happen in a week. This could happen in a year. This could happen in 5 years. If it happens in a week, that's a short-term loss. If it happens a year and a day, that's a long-term loss. A loss is just a loss. So now I'm down 20%, and so now this is worth $80,000. So what usually people do is they either sell this and get the heck out of the markets. Well, good for you. You created a loss. But I want you not to do that. I want you to take another step forward. This concept is called tax loss harvesting, and it's extremely important in volatile markets because it can have a huge impact on your overall taxes. So this $100,000 is now $80,000. I lost 20% or 20 grand. So $20,000 is my loss, right? But I'm not selling this and going into cash. I'm selling mutual fund A, let's say, and I'm buying mutual fund B. Let's say this was the S&P 500. I'm going to sell that and buy the Russell 2000 index fund. So I'm still in the market. Now, when that asset comes back up because the market recovers, I have 100,000. I bought and sold at this particular time. I still potentially have $100,000 if this was back in 2011. But what did I do? I created this $20,000 loss. This $20,000 loss can offset against any future gain in the future. So as I'm trying to create income long term, I have these losses to offset gains. And so when markets are crazy volatile as they are, you can look at buy, sell, and you can do all sorts of cool tax strategies, and you can make lemonade right out of lemons. Is that the saying, Big Al?
That is the saying. And I think a lot of people kind of mix this up. They think the loss is limited to $3,000. That's when you already use up all those losses dollar for dollar against other capital gains. If you still have losses, you get to take $3,000 against ordinary income like salary. If you have more losses after that, it carries forward indefinitely. So it's a concept that can save you money in the future.